Just imagine that you pitch an idea in a meeting and one teammate simply lights up while another instantly shuts it down. Same idea, yet completely different reactions. Why? Well, it's not about your idea, it's about your chemistry. There's actually a science behind it called the business chemistry. Because in every workplace, people do not just bring their skills, they bring their thinking styles as well. Some love possibilities, while others crave for structure. Some may move fast, while others analyze everything twice. And when these styles collide, it can either create some brilliant innovation or complete chaos. So, in this video, we are exploring the fascinating world of business chemistry, a framework developed by Deloitte to help us understand why people think, decide, and collaborate differently. By the end of this video, you'll not only get to know about your type, but also how to work smoothly with every other type, including the ones who constantly test your patience levels. So, what exactly is business chemistry? Well, it's a science backed approach to understand how people work, how they think, solve problems, and make decisions. Deloitte researchers studied hundreds of teams and found clear patterns. They discovered that people naturally fall into four primary working styles, each with its own strengths, blind spots, and communication preferences. And what about the goal? Well, it is to help the teams collaborate more effectively by appreciating differences rather than fighting with them. The four types are pioneers, guardians, drivers, and the integrators. Each of us usually has a dominant type and a secondary one, and together they shape how we show up at work. Let's start with the pioneers. They speak the language of ideas, innovation, and excitement. They can be messy or unpredictable at times, but without them, the teams rarely break the same old cycles. At work, they thrive on the projects that require thinking outside the box. They are the colleagues who constantly say, what if we completely redesign this while everyone else wants to finish it the normal way? If you know someone who's constantly bouncing ideas and saying, let's just fix it, well, that's your pioneer. Next are the guardians. They are practical, detail oriented, and love order. They are the reason your team actually meets deadlines. Guardians like structure, clear plans, and predictability. They value consistency and often say, let's plan before we start. At work, they are the ones who are constantly checking guidelines and tracking timelines, quietly saving everyone from disaster. They are the ones taking the spreadsheet 3 times while others have already moved on to the next big idea. Then we have the drivers. They are focused, logical, and love challenges. They set goals, chase results, and thrive under pressure. They are competitive, confident, and are not afraid to make bold decisions. They don't want a 30-minute debate on the font colors. Rather, they want a decision in 30 seconds. And finally, we have the integrators. They are warm, empathetic, and people focused. They value harmony and make sure that everyone's voice is heard. Like that one friend who becomes the unofficial peace negotiator in a group chat argument. They are the glue that keeps teams connected. They care deeply about relationships and emotional balance. Now, how do you figure out who's who in the room? Well, it's easier than you think. Just listen and observe. The pioneer talks about ideas and possibilities. The guardian talks about plans and processes. The driver talks about goals and results, while the integrator talks about people and feelings. And once you start noticing these patterns, I bet you'll never see your office dynamics the same way again. Here's where it gets powerful, knowing how to adapt. Because real teamwork is not about changing others, rather, it's about adjusting your own approach according to others. If you're a pioneer working with a guardian, slow down and show the plan behind your idea. If you're a guardian working with a driver, then focus on results, not just the process. If you're a driver with an integrator, listen more and lead with empathy. And if you're an integrator working with a pioneer, stay open to new ideas, but at the same time, help them ground in reality. The magic happens when every style is respected. That's when creativity, structure, speed, and harmony all come together. So the next time someone feels hard to work with, pause and think that they are not difficult. It's just that they are wired differently. Understanding business chemistry does not make you a better teammate. It makes you a smarter communicator and a stronger leader as well. If this video helped you see your workplace in a new way, then do hit like. Share it with your co-workers and comment your type, be it pioneer, guardian, driver, or integrator. And do not forget to subscribe for more insights on communication, teamwork, and leadership, because once you understand the minds around you, you do not just fit into the teams, you build them. On that note, thank you so much.